In case you want to book an Uber ride for your mom, dad, friend or sister, Uber has a feature on the app that allows you to book a ride for someone else. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to book a ride for your mom or someone else. And please note, if you book a ride for someone, you're actually responsible for the person's behavior. So to say, before you book a ride for anyone, make sure you know the person very well. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Now, to be straight to the point, when you are on your Uber app interface, you can see here right. You can tap on this right, or you can see here where to. You can as well tap on this where to, and it still brings you to the same place. Now, for instance, let me say your mom is at Wuse Market and you want to book her a ride going to Garaki Market. So how do you do it? You can come here and put her location and destination. But before you can do that, first of all, you must have to add her contact where Uber will use to send her the driver details. You can see here for me, just tap here. If you tap right here, you can see here add new contact. Select it. You can see right, then tap on this start now. So it takes you to your phone contact where you can search and add your mom's contact. I can come here and search for my mom. So I'll be blurring every personal information in this video. I will search for mom. Yes, my mom. I will select and add. Select it, then tap on this next. Then I can add my mom's name. I'll do a little bit mom, for instance. Mom. Or a little bit mom. After that, you can see here add rider. I'll tap on it. So right now you can see I've added my mom's information. So right now I can select my mom because this number is what Uber will use to send my mom information. So if I select my mom, I'll tap on this done right here. Down here you can see done. It's not showing where. I'll tap on it. So right now I can proceed to add my mom's location and destination. So I'll come here on location, remove this one here, then come here and type where she is. Wuse Market. Wuse Market. You can see here Wuse Market. I'll select this one here. Then where to, her destination. I'll come right here and select Garaki Market. Garaki. You can see here Garaki International Market. I will select this one here. So it will load and bring me to different ride options. You can see we have priority, we have Uber X and courier. Uber X is the regular Uber. I will select Uber X. And also you can see here the payment method here is cash. Means that she will pay cash. You can change it if you want to add your card and pay for her. You can tap right here and then go on add card details. Tap here and add card and pay for her with card. But in this video, I'll be using the cash payment method. So I will cancel and go back. So if you select Uber X from here, you can see here choose Uber X down here. It's not showing very well. Just tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here confirm pickup. Just tap on it. But in this video, I won't be booking a live ride so that I won't waste driver's time. Okay, you can see verification required. Before proceeding, please complete the following verification steps. Tap on it. So now they say I should verify my phone number to be sure if it is my own phone number. I'll tap on next. So they have sent a code again to my phone number to verify. I'll get it now. Okay, I've gotten the code right now. It has processed. Okay, I'll verify it is confirming. But for this video, I will actually be canceling. I won't request a live ride, so I'll be canceling it. So that is it. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.